Number 2. SONGMICS Laptop Desk. Work smarter, not harder, with the SONGMICS Laptop Desk. This ingenious piece redefines comfort in your workspace. Perfect for those who love to lounge while working, it offers a roomy 13.8-inch by 21.7-inch surface area. You can adjust it from a height of 11.4 inches down to 8.3 inches, making it ideal for use on your bed or couch. Built from sturdy bamboo, it's both lightweight and durable, perfect for easy mobility and long-lasting use. A nifty storage drawer holds your wireless headphones, USB drives, and other accessories, keeping everything within reach. The tabletop's divided design allows you to angle your laptop in 5 different positions, providing the best view for your eyes and neck. A stopper prevents your precious laptop from sliding off, safeguarding your tech investment. Space for your mouse lies on the side of the tabletop, streamlining your workflow. What I adore most is its foldable design, which lets you store it flat, saving space when not in use. However, the adjustable angles might not suit everyone's preference and could take a bit to get used to. This small drawback is overshadowed by the desk's many benefits. The SONGMICS Laptop Desk stands out as the best laptop desk for work by seamlessly blending comfort, functionality, and portability. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.